Plug the power cord into the back of the printer. Locate and remove the white stopper from the rear of the machine in order to connect the network cable. Install the network cable into the back of the machine as shown. Insert the other end of the network cable into the network port on the switch. Power on the printer by pressing the power button found on the lower right front of the machine. Now allow the machine to run its startup sequence. This may take up to 10 minutes, so please be patient. During the warm-up sequence, the machine will now perform the setup wizard. The first step is to choose a language. The default language is English. Select OK. You will see the message Managed by Admin, 01 Office and 02 Home. Answering this question as Office means you must enter an ID and password when setting certain printer functions. The Home selection does not use the ID password function. If you're in a home office or the only user of this printer, it's recommended to use the Home option. Press the down arrow and select the Home option. Select OK. Next will be the message, Welcome, set up your machine now. Are you sure? Press the button directly under the Yes prompt to perform the machine installation setup. The first page of setup is displayed. Set the time zone, date, and time. Select Change. Our first setting is time zone. Here we will set our time zone either by city location or time zone. In our example, we will select Central Time Zone. Select OK. Using the up, down, left, right navigation keys, enter, if needed, the current year, month, and day. Press Next. Using the navigation keys, enter hours, minutes, and seconds if required. Press Next. Now you will set up the networking IP address on your machine. Press Change. The next screen will display Obtain IP Address. Your choices are 01 Direct Entry and 02 Auto DHCP. Select 02 Auto DHCP to begin the automatic installation. Select OK. You have now completed the initial machine network setup. You can read additional information by selecting the README option or simply select Finish to complete the network installation. The control panel display will acknowledge Kyocera toner installed. Select OK. For now, just add letter paper to the cassette so you can continue the machine setup. You can watch the M2040 adding paper video on how to add specific paper types. You will now want to install drivers for your computer. To learn how to install drivers, look for these videos. Pick KX driver for Windows or Mac driver for Apple computers.